Getting an email is not always enough, especially when you want to reach those who are actually interested in your business. But how do you ensure every mail on your list is valid and not spammy? Well, sending double opt-in emails may help. And in this video, we will show you how you can send one with FluentCRM. But first, you need to understand what different contact statuses mean. You'll notice 5 distinct types of contact status if you click any contact on your FluentCRM dashboard. Subscribed. These are the contacts you're allowed to send emails to. These contacts are valid and they've probably confirmed their email address by clicking the confirmation link in your double opt-in email. Pending. Someone who had interacted with your lead source but didn't opt in for your emails. This is the default status of an audience. All awaiting audience will get a double opt-in email to confirm their subscription. This is mandated by GDPR policy and is quite helpful in avoiding spammers. Unsubscribed. These are the contacts that may have subscribed in the past, but don't want to receive your emails anymore. Bounced. If a double opt-in email is not received by the recipient's mail server and is returned to the original sender, is reported as bounced. It usually happens when the email address is incorrect. Complained. These are the contacts that have reported against your emails. This is all about the contact status. We advise don't email anyone other than those who have subscribed to you. Now, let's talk about the double opt-in feature of FluentCRM. It acts as an extra layer of confirmation. This ensures that the emails are collected with the user's consent, are valid and not spam. If this feature is enabled, contacts via form submission, automated funnel, or by selecting the WooCommerce subscription checkbox will automatically get a double opt-in email to confirm their subscription. Now, let's set up your default double opt-in email using FluentCRM. Go to the settings from your FluentCRM dashboard. Click the double opt-in settings from the left sidebar. There is a default double opt-in email setup. Let's give an appropriate subject for the email. Then write the email body for the double opt-in email. You can customize it as well. Use the smart code from the drop-down for more advanced option. And use the smart code for a playing link or for a button to click for the subscription. It is required since it contains the activation URL. You can also choose an email design template from simple boxed, plain centered, plain left, classic editor, and raw HTML to dictate how the double opt-in email will appear on the recipient's inbox. Now, provide the confirmation message for the user. You can keep the existing page or redirect them to another URL. Once you have set up your double opt-in email and confirmation page, click Save Settings. Want to set up double opt-in for a form you have created? First, go to the Forms tab and click Create a new form. Then choose a template. Provide a form title, select List and Tag, and leave the Enable Double Opt-in Confirmation checkbox enabled. Now, whenever someone subscribes, they will get a double opt-in email. And once they complete that step, you'll have a prospect genuinely interested in your business. So, that's it for this video. Stay tuned to WPManageNinja for more videos like this.